about being fashion icon. Now, first off, of course, how did it make you feel to be part of it?
Well, it's flattering kasi, ako kasi maarte ako, yung tao naman ako. So, I really put a lot of, not naman effort na parang problema ako kung susutin ko that day. But I want to feel good. If I'm sad, I want to make myself feel good by dressing up. And it's nice na nakaka-inspire pala ako ng maraming tao kahit sa pag-tweet ko ng mga kung ano-ano sapatos or something that I bought yesterday or kung ano man. At least yung mga gastos ko at punta nakaka-inspire pala ako. So it's really nice. It's nice. And I'm really thankful to everybody that follows me on and say you like what I'm wearing, you like my lipstick, or how I make my eyebrows. I'm glad that I get to inspire you. I love your lipstick.
And she doesn't know it.
The first time I got this girl last year.
We heard about how to make your lipstick as a Latina. Now, we also noticed that you're talking about being comfortable and about, of course, looking good. Now, sa industry na, I mean, it's very difficult to say na you can just walk out and, just wear whatever. I mean, that's the reality na, diba? So, I'm also noticing, of course, as fashion editors and being